What's up, Curls crew, and welcome again to my channel. Today I am going to be trying out this Kiss Gel dip powder, okay? And I did try it out. This is what I was left with. It's basically like a dip powder manicure, and it came out so pretty. I love it. I love it, you guys. So if you guys would love to see it, please stay tuned. Okay guys, so first we are going to start with the brush on gel, and then we are going to proceed to dip our finger in the actual dip powder itself, and we are going to proceed to do this twice for each finger, allowing it to dry a few seconds in between. Once you have the dip powder set on your finger, you want to make sure you take a brush and gently wipe away any excess like I just did there. And then I'm just going to proceed to go on and do that second coat on this hand. Okay, so the next step is to apply the Kiss activator that is going to harden and activate that dip powder that you just put on your nails. And you're just going to apply that and allow it to dry while you proceed to work on the other hand like I just did there. After the first coat of this activator, the instructions say to file and shape your nails to your liking, and then you're going to come back and you're going to add a final coat of this activator. Okay, now a few things just to mention about the product while you guys are watching me finish the process. This is a very, very easy system to use. I will say that if you are not someone who is very steady-handed, that this is probably not going to be the best thing for you. You might want to keep it with the professionals, because I did realize that some of it shaping was a little bit harder because I don't have professional tools, and this is the real hardened gel. So again, it was very, very easy to use, and I would definitely try this again. Next time, hopefully, I'm going to get color, and I will also film that and post that for you guys. So I want to know in the comment section, guys, do you think that this is a fail, or do you think it's a success? For a regular overlay, I think it came out really, really pretty, and I really enjoyed it. It did last me about a week because I did wait a while to post this so I can give you guys an update on that. But it did last me for about a week, and I love it. So again, let me know down in the comments what you guys think, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I will have them posted for you. So this next step was not in the instructions. It was optional. I just wanted to make sure that I could buff and get my nails as shiny as I possibly could. But you guys will see in a moment when I finish and put on the very top coat, which is again going to be the brush on gel. And then you just allow that to dry for a few minutes and your nails are done.